Hi everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we are going to be giving you a room tour here at the Anaheim Majestic Hotel. The Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel is located at 900 South Disneyland Drive in Anaheim. It is a 1-mile walk or about 20-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. This is one of 2 hotels in the area that do offer a dedicated shuttle to the Disneyland Resort. The Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel is rated number 73 out of 129 hotels in Anaheim. We booked a premium 2-queen room here at the Anaheim Majestic, and this room is really spacious. I love how far away the beds are from one another. There's tons of floor space. You could easily park a scooter, multiple strollers, a pack and play. All of that stuff would fit in this room very easily. I just tested the bed. It feels a little firm. We'll see how we like it, and we'll share that in our experience video. The nightstand here, there is 2 outlets in this lamp. There are 3 outlets and 1 USB on each side of the nightstand as well. Right when you walk in the room is a great large dresser. In this cabinet there is a mini fridge. In the middle there are 3 big drawers for clothing, and in the last cabinet there's shelving with an ice bucket and a tray for use. They do provide a coffee pot here. There's regular coffee and decaffeinated plus 2 tea bags. I love that this room has 2 full-length mirrors. The one right here in the hallway is a little dark. I'm not quite sure if you could really use it in the morning to do your makeup, but it is nice to have an extra mirror. I really love that they've added this area to get ready in the morning. The lighting is fantastic. And it's really helpful since the sink is included with the toilet and tub shower combination all in one room. So one person can be getting ready right here while another one is showering. This closet is super spacious. I love that they've thought to include towel hooks on both sides, as well as all the hangers, ironing board, 2 luggage racks, and the in-room safe. The bathroom area is a little tight and it does look a little bit dated, but it is very clean. We haven't found any random hair and it is very clean. It is a tub shower combination here, so if you have little kids that still like to take baths, that is great. And we did notice that the shower head is very tall. It would be difficult to adjust it if you were on the shorter side. While this bathroom is on the tighter side, there is a lot of counter space, which I really appreciate with all of our items. Everyone having a spot to be able to put those. So far, the only negative that we really see about this room, it is very dark. In the main room, there's only 2 lights, the one on the nightstand and there's one over by the dining area. And it is a very dark room, but I guess at night that might be a positive if you like very dark rooms. We've noticed so far that this building is very quiet. We are in the E-wing. We have not heard any other people the entire time we've been in the room. I actually really love our view. We have a courtyard view, so we are facing away from the freeway, and it's just really beautiful. The grounds here are really well kept, and I always love having a nice little view like this. And something kind of rare, these windows do open. We are able to open the windows. This was the other light I was talking about in the room, and that's why another reason why it is so kind of dark in here, but we really appreciate that they've added a little dining set here. It's got 2 chairs and it's just a perfect little area if you want to eat something in the room and you don't want to sit on the bed. I also really love that they added another sitting area, and this chair is very comfortable. It doesn't look very comfortable, but it is. It's great to have a lounge chair as well if you just don't want to sit on the bed or you're tired of sitting on the bed. It's nice to have another area. We weren't really sure what to expect with this hotel, just looking from the pictures online, but we were actually really impressed. It's a lot nicer in person than it looks in the photos. We really love that this is a full service hotel, meaning they have dining options, they have a lounge, and they also have a dedicated shuttle. Only 2 hotels in Anaheim have a dedicated shuttle to Disneyland, and we'll have more about that in our experience video. If you're looking for a similar hotel, click the link here. Thank you so much for watching.